हाय फ्रेंड्स मो सीमा आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची मो चैनल अचीव योर गोल को। आज आम आरंभ करवा सेल बायोलॉजी किसी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जोटा कि आगामी टीचिंग एग्जाम्स लाइक एसएसपी टीजीटी एसएसटी टीजीटी आरएसटी एलटीआर ओवीएस ओएसटी समस्त हेल्पफुल रहिबो। लेट्स बिगिन। First question, the term cell was given by option A Robert Hooke, option B Tatum, option C Swan, option D De Berry. The correct answer is option A Robert Hooke. Question number 2, the prokaryotic cells are characterized by option A distinct nuclear membrane, option B absence of chromatic material, option D distinct chromosome, option D absence of nuclear membrane. The correct answer is option B absence of nuclear membrane. Next question, in a prokaryotic cell DNA is option A enclosed by nuclear envelope, option B lacking, option C not a genetic material, option D without a membrane. The correct answer is option D without a membrane. 4 number question, cell wall is found around the cell wall is found around the option A prokaryotic cells, option B algal cells, option C plant cells. The cell wall is found all above the cell. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 4. Question number 5. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic have the common. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic have common. Option A mitotic apparatus, or option B histone, option C genetic code, option D mitochondria. The correct answer is option C genetic code. 6 number question. Unicellular microscopic organisms were first studied by option A Robert Hooke, option B Priestley, option C Pasteur, option D Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is option D Leeuwenhoek. 7 number question. All of the following statements are true regarding the cell theory except option A all living things or organisms are made of cell, option B all cells arise spontaneously, option C cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life, option D all cells arise from pre-existing cells. The which is a true statement regarding cell theory कोटा आ भितर नुह तो हिज हमर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी all cell arise spontaneous. All arise spontaneous केबे भी नुह. Question number 8, plasma membrane is made of. The question number 8, plasma membrane is made of option A protein, a lipid and a cell layer, option B biomolecular lipid layer surrounded by protein layers, option C a protein layer between two lipid layers, option D a lipid layer between two protein layers. The correct answer is option B biomolecular lipid layer surrounded by protein layers. 9 number question, what limits animal cells from outside? Option A cell wall, option B basement membranes, option C cell membranes, option D plasma membranes. The correct answer is option A cell wall जोटा कि animal cell रे नाही एटा तार लिमिटेशन लिमिट करछि से नाही तो सेतरे. 10 number question, cell membrane consists of option A protein double layer, option B phospholipid protein, option C phosphoproteins, option D glycoproteins. The correct answer is option B phospholipid proteins. 11 number question, which of the following theory explain that plasma membrane is selectively permeable? The option A unit membrane theory, option B cascade theory, option C sandwich theory, option D fluid mosaic theory. The correct answer is option D fluid mosaic theory. The fluid mosaic theory which theory explain the plasma membrane is exactly selectively permeable membrane. 12 number question, the hydrophobic end of a phospholipid molecule are option A polar, option B non-polar, option C neutral, option D bipolar. The correct answer is Option B, non-polar. 13 number question. The membrane protein that extend through both sides of a lipid bilayer. Option A, acidic protein. Option B, glycoprotein. Option C, intrinsic protein. Option D, glycolic acid. The correct answer is option C, intrinsic protein. Intrinsic protein जोटा both side आम लिपिड अच्छे ताको हम intrinsic protein कहते। तो 14 number question. Plasma membrane is A. Option A, non-selective barrier. Option B, selective barrier. Option C, impermeable. Option D, made of cellulose. The plasma membrane is selectively barrier. Option B. 15 number question. A ribosome consists of option A 4 subunity, option B 6 subunity, option C 2 subunity, option D 3 subunity. The correct answer is 2 subunity. 16 number question. Which of the following statement is true regarding the law of segregation? Option A, law of segregation is the law of purity of genes. Option B, alleles separate from each other during gametogenesis. Option C, segregation factor is due to segregation of chromosome during meiosis. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. 17 number question. Ribosome are composed of option A, rRNA and protein. Option B, rRNA and lipids. Option C, rRNA and carbohydrate. Option D, proteins and lipids. The correct answer is rRNA and proteins. 18 number question. Ribosome helps in option A, lipogenesis. Option B, cellular digestion. Option C, protein synthesis. Option D, photosynthesis. The correct answer is option C, protein synthesis. Question number 19. Which organelle is called the powerhouse of a cell? तो ये समस्त जानते हैं ऑप्शन सी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. 20 number question. Synapses occurs during option A, liptotin. Option B, zygotin. Option C, pachitin. Option C, diplotin. तो synapses occurs during option B, zygotin. 21 number question. In an animal cell, which among the following organelles has its own DNA? Option A, chloroplast. Option B, chromoplast. Option D, leucoplast. Option D, mitochondria. तो ये समस्त डीएनए अच्छी किंतु एनिमल सेल पचार तो एनिमल सेल पचारे तुम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हो करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Crystal in mitochondria serve as a site for option A, oxidation reduction reaction. Option B, protein synthesis. Option C, micromolecule breakdown. Option D, flavoprotein are phosphorylated. तो कोटा हमर क्रिस्टा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्रिस्टाटा कौन करूची? ऑप्शन ए, ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. 23 number question. The longest stage in a cell cycle is option A, interphase. Option B, anaphase. Option C, metaphase. Option D, none above the above. The correct answer is option A, interphase. 24 number question. Which of the following is also known as a restriction point? Option A, G1 checkpoint. Option B, G2 checkpoint. Option C, M checkpoint. Option D, none of the above. None of these. The code has correct answer. Option A, G1 checkpoint. 25 number question. The division of cytoplasm is known as the division of cytoplasm. The division of cytoplasm is known as option A, mitosis. Option B, synapsis. Option C, cytokinesis. Option D, karyokinesis. The division of cytoplasm is called option C, karyokinesis. जदि आम पचार था न्यूक्लियस देन होता karyokinesis. ठीक अच्छे. 25 गला 26 number question. Anaphase is the second meiotic division is characterized by option A, separation of non-homologous chromosome. Option B, separation of homologous chromosome. Option C, separation of chromatid. Option D, all of the above. So anaphase is the second mode of division characterized by option C, separation of chromatids. 27 number question. In incomplete dominance, option A, incomplete dominance कौन हुए? Option A, phenotype of both allele is expressed. Option B, phenotype of all one allele is expressed. Option C, phenotype of neither of the allele are expressed. Option D, phenotype of both allele is partially expressed. The correct answer is option D, phenotype of both allele is partially expressed. Partially. आर अधा मिसिकी गोटे नाली गोटे धला मिसिकी पिंक कलर जोटा आमर हो 28 number question. When the activity of one gene is suppressed by the activity of a non-allergic gene, it is known as option A, pseudodominance, option B, hypostasis, option C, epistasis, option D, incomplete dominance. The known as correct answer is option C, epistasis. 29 number question. Chromatin is composed of option A, DNA, option B, DNA and protein, option C, DNA, RNA and protein, option D, none. तो ये ए वर्ष आरएसटी राशि थिला बहुत कन्फ्यूजन थिला चैलेंजिंग थिला तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर ऑफिशियली डीएनए आरएनए एंड प्रोटीन 30 number question. The point at which polytene chromosomes appear to be attached together is known as option A, centriole, option B, centromere, option C, chromomere, option D, centromere. The correct answer is option D, chromocenter. Polytene chromosomes, the option D of answer. 31 number question. In which tropical stage are lumbous chromosomes observed? Option A, meiotic prophase, option B, mitotic metaphase, option C, mitotic prophase, option D, mitotic anaphase. The correct answer is option A, meiotic prophase. थैंक यू ये थिला आमर 31टा क्वेश्चन सेल चैप्टर जदि भिडियोटी भल लगे तो लाइक करने भूलें सांग मान सहित शेयर करेंगे और चैनल को निहाती सब्सक्राइब करेंगे थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।